Welcome back to our next one, people. What go on? What not go on with? Yeah, man, if you guys are new to the channel, please remember to jump or hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, man, big up on yourself, man. Thanks for the love and the support that you guys have been showing me since I've started this out there TV YouTube channel. So, big up on yourself. Much love and respect. Um, no adventure video for the past maybe week plus, yeah, over 7 days. You guys know we haven't been experiencing the best of weather conditions right now in Jamaica. Yeah, man. So all of you people who came here to vacay at this time of year, I sincerely apologize, but it's beyond my control. It's beyond everybody's control right now. I'm telling you guys, right now, it's one of the rainiest seasons I've seen yet in Jamaica. I mean, maybe about 6 days, the rain has been falling. It stopped for maybe a few hours and then it's right back at it again. Yeah, man. And I've gotten to understand that it's not only in the parish that I'm in of Westmoreland. It seems to be an island-wide thing. So I don't know what's going on with the weather conditions. Yeah. Anyway, that's the main reason for I haven't been able to do any outdoor or any adventure video from when it's just cooking, non-stop cooking. Yeah, man. So without further ado, today I actually have quite a few things to do. I have maybe about 2 or 3 dozen crabs coming today. I'm gonna run some crab, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video. For right now, I had some bananas here that I bought them to cook, and I have had them far too long. So guess what going now? They're ripe, and then they actually reach the overripe stage then. I mean, I want to throw them out. So guess what? I just grab some things right now from the fridge right now. I'm showing you what I go on. Or you probably can see from the thumbnail already. You understand? So I have some vanilla lasco have to sweeten. I don't really like tin milk, guys. Tin milk right now in Jamaica is not the tin milk that I used to. Right now, tin milk, it's just sweet. You don't really have no that milky, creamy flavor like it used to have back in the days. Yeah, man. So I don't know what's up with that. So ever since I noticed, I kind of stay far from milk. So if I need a sweetener or a milky flavor sweetener, I would use vanilla lasco. Yeah, man. So for my blend up today, I run some strong back, that we call it Jamaica. See, I see all the ingredients listed right there. So me have my overripe bananas in here. These are perfect for this kind of occasion. I have some okra in my fridge too. I have them in there far too long. So guess what, guys? I'm gonna have to boil these okra for maybe about 5 minutes, or I don't know, just to see if I can soften them a bit, because I don't like trash or strands in my blended juice. So if I can cook this for a bit to get them a bit softer, because right now they're old. I have these things far too long in my fridge. And so me have some nutmeg here. Look at peanut punch. You don't know, the world's greatest. Guinness. I have some peanuts here. Look at supplement. I'm used to getting Irish mash at the store, but from when I can't get it, right? I've seen this thing on the shelf. I've never tried it. It's called Strongback. I know I said this is Strongback, guys. Nothing compared to what I'm gonna make now, but this Strongback in a can, I'm gonna taste it first before I add it, because I don't want nothing ruin my punch. So I think I'm gonna sample that thing before I add it into my my blender. And I can't find the blade for my Ninja blender, the big blender, so I'm going to have to go in with my bullet. I'm gonna have no white rum, you know. So I have to go touch a little shot of Hennessy.
Hello.
Special guest in the house today, people.
Hello.
I watch him channel. This is the name of his channel. Why you do that? Genario's World. You know this boy have a channel over a year right now, people. Yeah, man. He has a channel over a year. But due to school and sometimes I'm barely available to help him or assist him in making a video. So um, the channel don't have that much video on there. But recently now I start finding a whole lot of time home. So I'm going to help him out getting some more videos for his channel. Anyway, without further ado, big up on yourself, stay tuned. I don't know which direction to turn to find the blade that goes in the Ninja blender. You know, that removable sharp blade, because I actually have a Ninja blender. I have one. So because we can't find that on time is going, I'm going to use my bullet, which is smaller, but what I'm going to have to do is blend a couple times. Yeah, so I'm going to have to blend maybe like the oats and the okra, banana, you know, all of the harder stuff I'd have to blend, and then we just combine everything. Yeah, man, we can't find the blade for that thing. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how we get done. I'm going to boil the okra first for about 5 minutes, and I'll show you guys what I go and see. So big up on yourself. Alright guys, so you're all going to know okra has already been boiled. I just have the pot in some water over here, so I try drop the temperature to get it as close as possible to room temp. Alright, so just so going with the peanut first. Some of the oats. Alright, maybe now this now with supple jam. What happened? Why are you whispering?
I want to chill.
What?
Of this. Yeah.
Oh yeah, see.
Peanut? What is that?
Something like supple jam, but this one is peanut flavored.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
What are those red things?
Peanuts.
Oh.
Yes.
Of course, the banana. I like cereal more with banana.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That's the only way I would eat cereal, with bananas.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's your mixture. This mixture is my mixture.
Okay, that's sweet.
Alright, so first blend this, guys. See? Yeah, that is it. And I'm gonna get this close to purified. I don't like when I'm drinking my blending juice and I have to be chewing. I have to be chewing. None of that in my thing. Yeah. So, eat and let's go. Alright. Now, I can pour this in my container. man. Strong back. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some more banana or bananas. You don't necessarily need bananas for this. If you have plantain, overripe plantains at home, they work just fine. Remember, plantain don't have a banana already. Yeah, just the bigger version. Oh my god. In with more banana. Again, more bananas.
Banana.
Yeah.
Can I get one of the bananas?
They're finished. You're a bit late. I'm going to with a little bit more oats.
Oat?
Take time and touch that thing, you know, mind make it fall off. I'm going with all of the peanut punch now. And then let me sample this thing I want to tell you about, because I don't know this thing, you know. That this thing. You guys ever had this thing before? Strong back. Let me pull it on. Taste this. What make it count so hard for open one? Alright, sample it.
That's
Look
how it is.
like not taste bad. You know, taste bad at all. Almost tastes like Irish mash. Almost. Well, it'll go in right there now. So that is it. Now let me go blend out this. Alright. This is the second batch of blending. And truth be told, I actually rather using this blender, you know, because it's faster in terms of purifying things. Way faster. Alright, so going with my Guineas now, which what's left, not really have to blend, you know, but I'm gonna blend it anyways. And just mix it in. Guineas down. Alright. Remember the oats haven't been soaked yet, so I'm not gonna go in with too much oats, because I don't want when it's soaked, this thing is too thick. So let me just add a little bit of Lasco. The sweetening. Although we know that the supplement and all of that sweet already. Now we go add it up with the water. Look how good I these people. I don't even know if you can see. Can you excuse me out of the kitchen, please? You're in here making too much noise. Excuse out of the kitchen. Go and find something out there to do and play with. Alright, now the blender full too much. I'm going to pour a liquid in the pot and blend this 2 times. That's fine. Alright, go blend the first batch. Alright, so first batch of okra. I'm going in now. Yeah, people. And this here is slime. Next batch I know. Right now we can actually just stir that a bit and sample to know if I need any more Lasco to sweeten. One thing, it's thick. That's good. These are the real strong back. Taste this, you know. Definitely want more Lasco. Definitely. Right, so I'm going with a small, tiny little nutmeg. But guys, with my bullet blender, I don't have to grate this. I've done this one time too many. Then just drop this in there and just let it blend. And believe me, you won't even find peace. You won't even find peace. Alright, so I'm gonna have a nice big piece of ice to cool this down. It's about half, less than half. So that is it. That is it, my people. Strong back, done. Alright, let me just blend out this. And that is it. Let's see what I'm going on. Yes. Sample this and I see what I'm going. Only thing this shorter. If I did one time, I would add eggs to it, but bad. It's wicked. Proper. Yeah, man. Real strong back, people. Nice, man. Big up on yourself. First video. See what I go on now. Some big monster pot take up more than half of my stove. I have about 2 or 3 dozen crabs coming in. So stay tuned at our next video. So 2 upload today. Badness. Stay tuned. Big up on yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna have a nice big piece of ice to cool this down. It's about half, less than half. So that is it. That is it, my people. Strong back, done. Alright, let me just blend out this. And that is it. see what I'm going on. Yes.